Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel Creative Tips. So I hope you having a fantastic day and convert it into a beautiful one. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can create an amazing blend effect in Adobe Illustrator. So any further ado, let's get started. Simple, first of all open your Illustrator and create artboard of any size that you want. So first of all I'm take my type tool and type here random text like 2023. So select my selection tool and hold shift to increase the size of this object. So I'm gonna change my font like search here impact. So go to the effect 3D and rotate. So the preview is on and under the position is set on isometric top and hit. After this go to the object and click on expand appearance. So right click on your object for ungroup, again right click on your object for release clipping mask. So drag your object anywhere and create a selection of this part so the clipping mask is selected and hit delete button. Drag your object in the center of my artboard. After this process, swap the fill into stroke. So the stroke width is set on 5 points and in the stroke swatches I'm gonna select my color like this. So right click here and go to transform and transform each. So under the transform each panel I'm gonna move this object vertically like minus 40 and hit on copy. Don't hit on OK, please hit on copy. So hit Ctrl D to create another copy. So select your top one and go to the stroke swatches. So select this color and select your second one object. Go to the swatches and select here like this color. Select your third one and go to the swatches. Select on this color. So select all these objects and go to the object blend and click on make. So double click on blend tool. Here you can see the blend options panel is open. So in the blend options panel preview is on and the spacing is set on specified steps. So gradually and slowly increase the steps of your blend options like this. It's pretty good and hit OK. Select your selection tool and deselect of your object. So you can see my friend that is an amazing blend effect has been created. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.